Welcome to Huntsville, Alabama, also known as Rocket City. This small city has a big reputation. It's home to the U.S. Space and Rocket Center, where visitors explore rockets, astronauts, and the history of space travel. Huntsville played a huge role in sending astronauts to the moon. At the Marshall Space Flight Center, engineers helped build the giant Saturn V rocket that launched humans into space. But Rocket City isn't just about outer space. It's also about tornado safety. Huntsville is located in a region where tornadoes can happen, especially during the spring. A tornado is a fast-spinning column of air that stretches from the clouds to the ground. They can move quickly and cause serious damage, which is why tornado drills are so important. A tornado watch means the conditions are right for a tornado to form. A tornado warning means a tornado has been spotted nearby. It's time to find shelter immediately. In Huntsville, schools and businesses have special storm shelters. People practice safety drills so they know where to go and what to do when they hear the tornado siren. At the Space and Rocket Center, visitors learn not just about rockets, but also about weather safety, because science protects us both in space and here on Earth. A storm is coming to Rocket City. Can you solve the puzzles, crack the codes, and escape before the tornado arrives? Let's explore the escape room. Your clues are ready. Gather your paper, unlock the puzzles, and crack the final code. This activity is perfect for beginner English learners and comes with an active learning worksheet. Your mission sheet is in the description.